Start with recycling your glass bottles. Spray paint. Spooky labels from Temu.com. Our link and discount code are in the video description. I ended up doing like 2 or 3 coats. Cheap Christmas baubles, these ones we salvaged. More spray paint. The tough choice, choosing between different salvaged burlaps. I cut a strip of the light burlap. Be careful with the hot glue. I've burnt myself a few times recently. That is the true horror and spookiness. Is your burlap fraying? That's not a problem. Just another opportunity for creativity and more spookiness. Some jute twine glued around the top. Salvaged curtain rings added a fun flair. A few adjustments to the Christmas ornament. And secured with hot glue. A coat of Mod Podge. Some ambiance, a few spiders. And it's Halloween. The salvage style.